Plant family. 387 genera and Apocynaceae. Apocynaceae, a plant family I admire. I, Ferbvu, am an admirer of the diverse plant kingdom, and among its myriad families, the Apocynaceae holds a special fascination for me. The Apocynaceae family is a remarkable group of flowering plants that captivates with its sheer diversity, fascinating characteristics, and economic and ecological significance. Let's explore this captivating family, delve into its botanical wonders, and highlight its importance. Botanical wonders. The Apocynaceae family boasts a vast array of plant forms, ranging from graceful vines and shrubs to towering trees. The family's defining characteristic is the presence of milky sap or latex, a substance known for its medicinal and industrial uses. The leaves are typically simple, arranged oppositely or in whorls, often with a glossy sheen. The flowers, which are typically showy and fragrant, display a wide range of colors and shapes. The family's fruit diversity is equally remarkable, encompassing follicles, berries, capsules, and drupes. Genera galore. The Apocynaceae family encompasses 387 genera, a testament to its remarkable diversity. Allamanda, trumpet-shaped, vibrant flowers, often used as ornamentals. 16 species in genus Allamanda. Asclepias, milkweeds, known for their role in supporting monarch butterfly populations. 209 species in genus Asclepias. Catharanthus, Madagascar periwinkle, the source of crucial anti-cancer compounds. 9 species in genus Catharanthus. Hoya, wax plants, prized for their thick, waxy leaves and fragrant flowers. 566 species in genus Hoya. Mandevilla, showy vines with large, trumpet-shaped flowers. 182 species in genus Mandevilla. Nerium, oleander, a beautiful but poisonous ornamental shrub. Nerium oleander in genus Nerium. Plumeria, frangipani, beloved for its fragrant flowers. 19 species in genus Plumeria. Rauvolfia, source of reserpine, a compound used to treat hypertension. Strophanthus, source of cardiac glycosides used to treat heart conditions. 39 species in genus Strophanthus. Thevisia, yellow oleander, a poisonous ornamental shrub. Vinca, periwinkles, ground covers with delicate flowers. 7 species in genus Vinca. Acacanthera G. Dawn. Adenium, 6 species in genus Adenium. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Economic and ecological importance. The Apocynaceae family plays a vital role in both economic and ecological spheres. Medicinal marvels. Many Apocynaceae species contain a wealth of bioactive compounds with medicinal properties. Vinca alkaloids, derived from Catharanthus roseus, have revolutionized cancer treatment. Rauvolfia serpentina, a source of reserpine, has been instrumental in managing hypertension. Cardiac glycosides extracted from Strophanthus species have been used to treat heart conditions for centuries. Ornamental delights. Numerous Apocynaceae members grace gardens and landscapes with their beauty. Allamanda, Mandevilla, and Plumeria are renowned for their vibrant flowers, while Hoya captivates with its unique foliage. Ecological champions. The Apocynaceae family supports a wide range of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and birds, drawn to its nectar-rich flowers. Asclepias species serve as critical host plants for monarch butterfly larvae. The family's diverse fruit types provide sustenance for various animals, contributing to ecosystem health. Industrial applications. The latex or milky sap found in many Apocynaceae members has various industrial applications. It is used in the production of rubber, chewing gum, adhesives, and even pharmaceuticals. My fascination. My admiration for the Apocynaceae family stems from its diverse botanical wonders, encompassing various plant forms, fascinating flowers, and intriguing fruits. The family's economic and ecological significance further strengthens my appreciation. From life-saving medicines to vibrant ornamentals, the Apocynaceae family offers a treasure trove of benefits. Moreover, its role in supporting pollinators and other wildlife underscores its vital ecological importance. As I continue to explore the botanical world, the Apocynaceae family remains a source of endless fascination and inspiration. Its diversity, beauty, and significance serve as a constant reminder of the wonders of the plant kingdom and the intricate connections that sustain life on Earth. Whether I encounter a delicate periwinkle or a majestic plumeria, I am always filled with a sense of awe and gratitude for the Apocynaceae family and the botanical riches it bestows upon us.